I was there for about a month from like the entire month of July in 2013. What made me want to go? So I'm Jewish, in case you didn't know, and Israel's commonly like known as the home of the Jewish people, and it's a like place where almost the entire population is Jewish, and I just thought it'd be really cool to go there. The most exciting thing that happened, I don't know if it's exciting, but it's the coolest thing. I was like, there's this like museum, I guess, where this attraction that's like simulates blindness. So it's like the entire like it's indoors and there's absolutely no lights, and like you're like walking through like these rooms that are like simulated to feel like everyday situations, and there's a blind person, like an actual blind person, like touring you throughout the place, and it was very like cool and surreal and interesting. They don't eat as much as they do in America. There are a lot more greens, and like breakfast is very much like salads and stuff. What else? It's much hotter there than America. It's like deserty, almost. Yeah, besides the blind thing, there's a lot of like historical like sites and like national and natural parks. Like there's this like giant mountain. It's like called Masada, where like these kings from like long ago built like this entire like Palestine. It's like long crumbling to ruins, but like the mountains like flat on the top, and it's been used as like a siege for like many wars and stuff, because it's almost like it's very hard to like ascend it, so anyone on the top can like easily pick off people. What else? There's lots of springs and stuff, and like rocks and like waterfalls. Um, there's the Western Wall in Jerusalem, which is like one of the holiest sites in Judaism, where like the old temple was built. It's like the only remaining part of the temple. My favorite one is probably the Western Wall. Um, it's very like strange, because like when you go in there, you have to like be wearing like no skin like colored, like women have to wear dresses, and men have to have their heads covered, and like people go up to this wall, and like they're just praying, like, and there's little like cracks in like the brick, and people put their pieces of paper in there, and like you can write like wishes and like prayers and stuff, and you write them in there, and they're supposed to happen if you do that, and that was really cool.